Welcome to
Study time, kids.
Potato. Potato.
Potatoes are delicious. Potatoes are delicious.
Carrot. Carrot.
This is a carrot. This is a carrot.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
I like broccoli. I like broccoli.
Tomato. Tomato.
This tomato is red. This tomato is red.
Cucumber. Cucumber.
The cucumber is fresh. The cucumber is fresh.
Onion. Onion.
Onions make me cry. Onions make me cry.
Garlic. Garlic.
Garlic smells strong. Garlic smells strong.
Cabbage. Cabbage.
The cabbage is green. The cabbage is green.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
I eat lettuce every day. I eat lettuce every day.
Spinach. Spinach.
Spinach is healthy. Spinach is healthy.
Eggplant. Eggplant.
The eggplant is purple. The eggplant is purple.
Corn. Corn.
Corn is sweet. Corn is sweet.
Pumpkin. Pumpkin.
This pumpkin is big. This pumpkin is big.
Bell pepper. Bell pepper.
The bell pepper is yellow. The bell pepper is yellow.
Chili pepper. Chili pepper.
This chili is hot. This chili is hot.
Mushroom. Mushroom.
Mushrooms grow in forests. Mushrooms grow in forests.
Pear. Pear.
Peas are small and green. Peas are small and green.
Green bean. Green bean.
Green beans are tasty. Green beans are tasty.
Radish. Radish.
The radish is crunchy. The radish is crunchy.
Beetroot. Beetroot.
Beetroot is purple red. Beetroot is purple red.
Celery. Celery.
Celery is crunchy. Celery is crunchy.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower.
Cauliflower is white. Cauliflower is white.
Sweet potato. Sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes are sweet. Sweet potatoes are sweet.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.